Hi guys, it's me again, Gla, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's episode, I'll be sharing another hotel or hostel kung saan kami nagstay dito sa Bohol. Kasi I feel like it's worth sharing if you're looking for a very affordable, quiet, calming, and very nice. Okay, but before I show you, please don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode. Before ko sa inyo ipakita, Glammates, yung buong location or buong scenery dito sa pinagstayan namin dito sa Bohol. Quick story. So, yung sa Cebu, kung saan ko share yung Holiday Inn ulit na corner room, yung stay ko doon, it was actually for work. And then here, nandito kami sa Bohol. It's legit na vacation and I'm with my friends. And it's our first time to travel together locally. So, yun. Ang daming chika, di ba? Pero yun, I want to share it with you sana kanina pagdating namin, pero super duper pagod na. Kaya ngayon lang, it's already 12:49 midnight, Saturday na. Kaya gabi, nakasleep kami kanina, so ngayon hindi pa kami inaantok and we planned na hindi na talaga matulog kasi we have itinerary tomorrow. And speaking of itinerary, wala kaming like plan talaga. Kasi kaming tatlo, nakapunta na rin naman dito and napunta na namin yung mga tourist spots here in Bohol. Probably dun sa list namin na iniisip, gusto lang namin ulit balikan yung mga gusto namin. So, free flow ang aming itinerary. But really, as mentioned earlier, if you are looking for a place here sa Bohol, na mura, maganda, malinis, quiet, I think this is worth considering. Although, disclaimer, hindi siya malapit sa beach and maybe that's the reason why because most of the hotels, if not all na malapit sa beach, mahal. Yeah. But, again, it's worth considering and I feel like hindi pa to tapos kasi malaki pa yung place and feeling ko after years, mas gaganda pa to. Yon. And, yeah, probably siguro morning, itutour ko kayo dun sa room and then sa entire place. Kasi now, madilim, so hindi nyo ma-appreciate yung ganda. Okay? So, reverse tayo. Alright? So, I'll see you again later. Sabi ko, tomorrow na or later, pag maliwanag, pero since walang tao, kami lang, I think this is a good chance to share it with you. So, ito yung parang pinaka, anong tawag dito? Yung area, common area there, na pwede kayong kumain, bumili ng food sa labas, and then, dito kayo kumain, pwede rin kayong magluto. So, yon. If you want to cook your own food, if you have the time, you may do so, or nagmamadali kayo and you want to have quick snack like what they're doing right now. They're cooking pancit canton. So, it's a midnight snack. Ayun, pancit canton. Right, so ito yung place. Okay? Hindi sila ganun ka-strict. Again, you can buy food outside. You can cook your own. And meron silang free water. Meron din silang mga free utensils, plates, ganyan. Para hindi na kayo bumili ng paper plate. So, makakatipid kayo. So, ito, you can cook here. They have fridge, microwave also, rice cooker. So, there. How are you guys? How's your pancit canton? So, by the way, this is Archie. if you've been following me for quite a long while, tama pa English ko. Nandun siya sa may na napunta tayo sa Star City. I know. What's that? Archie, tulungan mo ko. Enchanted Kingdom. There you go. So, isa siya sa mga kasama ko. And then, this is Abby. I'm not sure if meron na akong vlog na kasama siya. Or this is the first time. Is it?
First time.
First time.
Yes.
So, this is Abby. Ayan.
Kain
Pansit
tayo.
canton. There. Okay. And then, so yun na. Ito yung isa sa mga common area. And then, this is the pool. Yan. Madilim. Actually, sabi nila 10 p.m. kasi 10 hanggang 10 p.m. lang because para hindi ma-disturb yung mga guests. But they allowed us naman. Dito sa side na to na malapit sa pool, they have 7 cabanas. I think ilan lang yung occupied. I feel like 4 lang. So, yun. Itong nandito sa amin, 6, 7, walang tao. So, yeah. And then if you want to work, if you want to eat, drink here, okay. And then, yan. Kanina, pinatay lang yung flowing water. Ang tawag doon. I don't know kung anong tawag, pero kapapatay lang. But you can still swim if you want to. And then, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na area. May extension doon. So, feeling ko kung after ilang years, mas gaganda na to. So, ito yung sa likod ng Cana Boutique Hotel. Maybe tomorrow, i-share ko sa inyo yung dun sa kabila. But guys, if you wanna stay here, mas okay dito sa pool view. Especially in the morning. And you're gonna see that later. Okay. Hi, Clubmates! Good morning! It's almost 6 a.m. in the morning and second day namin dito sa Bohol. And as promised, I'm gonna show you our room and yung isang side ng hostel. Okay? Let's enter. Hi, Abby.
No.
Ay, nakikita niyo si Abby. And that's Archie. Hi, Glummates. Back to you. So, ito yung sukat ng ng room. I feel pare-pares lang naman ang sukat ng kabana. Ang difference lang, yung sukat ng bed. Yeah, pala decision ako. Feeling ko, kasi dapat dun kami sa kabila. But, yesterday, we decided na lumipat kasi gusto namin yung view ng pool. And then, sabi ni ate, hinarapan niya kami ng like yung bed na magkakasya kaming tatlo kasi yung nandun same size lang nung bed ni Archie, but look, para na siyang queen bed para magkasya kami ni Abby. Ganun tayo kalaki, me. Okay, but anyway, so ganyan, very decent din yung size ng room. And disclaimer, medyo magulo, Clubmates. So yan, merong bench. And then, of course, my TV. And then, working area. Kasi si Abby nag-work kagabi. And then, another bench here. And, parang, lagayin nyo ng pagkain and stuff. So, mini pantry, I guess. And lavatory. Meron silang rubber tray here inside. This is the shower room. So, yon, separate ang shower room sa CR. So, ganyan ang itsura niya. Okay. And, meron din silang pa-shampoo and pa-body wash here. I thought wala. And then, this is naman the CR. Ayan. Ayan. There. So, that's it. Ayan. Yung view from here. And, nakuha ko lang kasi ito na free yung stay namin dito. But, kung i-ask nyo how much, nakita ko siya sa Agoda, parang meron na sa almost 2,000 and 2,000 plus. Basta, check nyo na lang siya, Glummates. It's Cana Boutique Hostel here in Bohol. Gamitin ko na lang yung phone ko, Glummates, kasi dito sa labas for some reason, nag-moist yung camera lens. So, yan siya sa umaga. And, yan yung mga room. 7 rooms here. Ayun. And yun yung pinakita ko sa inyo kahapon kung saan kayo pwedeng magluto. And meron silang ginagawa doon. I think hindi pa siya open. Yeah, and ganyan pa. Meron pang space dyan. And sabi nga nung yung front desk kagabi na gagawin pa nila yan soon. Okay, and punta tayo dun sa front desk. So again, don't expect na parang bonggang-bongga talaga na hotel, but as a hostel, parang I think lahat na ng need mo nandito na. So yan yung front desk. Okay, so nandun yung signage nila dun sa labas. Makikita nyo agad yung signage na yun. Yun, the Cana Boutique Hostel. And then, you can park here. Kung mag-rent kayo ng motor, car, pwede kayo mag-park dyan. And dito kayo pupunta to check your reservation or bago kayo mag-check-in yon. And this is the other side. Ayan. So, dyan din dapat kami. Pero, nagpalipat kami kasi mas maganda yung view doon. So, same cabana. So, sa 8 to 9 hanggang 14. And dyan, residential na yan. Sa side na yan. So, yeah. Basically, that's it. Gourmet. Walang kasamang food. Hindi rin sila nakikater. Pero meron drinks dyan sa loob. Meron din ditong, I'm not sure if pwede kayo magpa-laundry. But I'm guessing, dito nila nilalabhan yung mga towel, blanket ng hostel. And then when it comes to food, dun kami bumili ng barbecue. Well, yung grill kagabi. Yun yung pinakamalapit. And then, sa left side naman, meron dong mga bilihan ng chips and other stuff na need nyo. So there. That's basically it, It's nasa room na ako. Thank you so much for joining me for today's video. And again, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and share it with your family and friends. If nagustuhan mo tong video na to, i-like nyo naman. And yeah, hope to see you again next time. Stay awesome, be gladsome, and keep chasing those dreams. Bye!